Our newest Rivian accessory to review today protects our EV from water damage. Today we're taking a look at the best EV mod window rain guard. So I want to cover the constructability, what do they feel like? Do they feel like they're going to hold up? We're going to go over the installation process. Then we're going to do at the end of the video a before and an after walk around the truck to see, does it fit the style? Does it look okay? And are we going to keep it? Let's get into it. So these Rivian accessories come in a long rectangular cardboard box, and inside each one of these is an individually wrapped, which is very nice, window rain guard. So you can see the red 3M tape along the edge there, and that's what will be connecting it to the vehicle. But let's open up each one of these plastic rain guards, take a look at each one for the quality. They feel pretty thick, feel pretty good, and then we'll get the installation going and check out how they look. All right, so I have these out of the packages. Thick plastic, you know, a little flexible here, but I think they should be. And then the 3M strips, you just take this red little stripe off to put them up. So obviously this would be the front. This would be the front driver's side or passenger side. I haven't figured that out. So this would be the passenger side. So yeah, constructability wise, they seem like some other window rain guards I've gotten in the past. Everything looks fine. They're tinted as well. We'll see how close the tint is to the current tint I have in my windows, but I did look up, there's no installation instructions in the box. So I just looked it up on the website. There's really not major installation instructions. They're just showing you where they're put on the truck. So you can kind of get a general idea and line it up to put it in the right spot. Besides that, that's kind of the only thing. You just pull out these little strips. So let's start installing. All right, on the installation front, the main thing I'm concerned about is really this top corner here and making sure I'm not too far off on the back side so that when I open this back door, you know, I don't have any effectiveness there, which I really won't. So really just making sure I line up this, this top apex corner where it makes the turn here. I don't know why I used the word apex, but I did. And then making sure that my tape is kind of not over the edge. So I'm gonna pull that off. I'm gonna start working my way down the side and yeah, we'll see how it looks. All right, so we're on the driver's side. Hardest part so far was getting the red stuff off the tape because yeah, I'm terrible at that stuff. So we're gonna line this up and hope for the best. So that's really sticky. I'm gonna line up this front side here and try to get that top and right in there. I'm really just trying to line up the tape. I don't want to push down too hard until I feel like I get a good spot. I'm gonna mess with the door here a little bit, make sure I don't got an issue there. Looks good. Don't think I have an issue on that back side. It seems to be right up along that edge, so I think I'm good. I'm actually gonna put the back one on this side as well, just to make sure I got it all working correctly. Give me a sec. All right, we're gonna line up this back side real quick and make sure we got that lined up before we kind of stamp this all in. I'm notorious for stamping things in too early and then I don't do it right and then I get really upset. So I'm going to try to not do that with this. I don't know what's more important, the front side or the back side. Just want to make sure that I don't have issues it bumping into the other one. So if I open this door, okay, we're good there. So it looks like that's good. Looks like that's good. So a little dimpling here. Not a big fan of that. You can see some dimpling along the edge. I'll show you a closer look at that, but I don't really like that. All right, so I got both sides installed. Pretty simplistic installation. You just want to make sure you're lining up both ends, and then on the front on the passenger and driver side, you want to make sure you're lining up, obviously, that peak part. The 3M tape, once you really push on, they are really stuck. I don't think you're going to have an issue with them coming off, so I wouldn't be concerned about that. The only issue I have with these so far is there's a little bit of dimpling on both the rear sides. So the passenger and driver side has a little bit of dimpling. It looks like coming maybe from the molding process. So I'll reach out to Best EV Mods and certainly let them know to check out for that quality thing. But other than that, these should work exactly like all of them. I mean, all of them pretty much go on like this for all of the cars I've had in the past. So I'm not too concerned with the functionality because they're very simplistic in design. And the only thing you really have to worry about is the 3M tape, which that stuff sticks pretty good. And this was very sticky once I pulled the red strip off, that make sure it doesn't stick to anything else. So not a major issue. We'll walk around. I do like the look of it. I do think it adds a bit of character to the side of the Rivian. Maybe it's just because it's new for me, but I'll do a walk around after this. The link for the product will be down in the description as well if you're interested in getting that. It will be an affiliate link for me, so if you do buy it through that link, I will get a little bit of a commission from Amazon, so thank you for that. And yeah, so good quality except for the dimpling. The plastic, it seems hard plastic like all the rest of them, and the 3M tape seems like it will hold up. So I think that's all I have for now. If you're interested in other Rivian accessory videos, certainly check this one out right here, and we will catch you on the next video. Thanks.